Hello friends. Are you tired of applying hundreds of jobs and not getting selected? Then this video is for you. Today you will learn how to create ATS Friendly Resume using ChatGPT. According to HR experts, recruiters, and hiring platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and JobScan, your resume must be clean, keyword optimized, and machine readable to beat the ATS Applicant Tracking System in 2025 and get shortlisted for interview. Go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Attach your resume and press enter and wait for the ChatGPT to load the details. I randomly selected Telecom ELV engineer job from Naukri.com at Authentic Staffing Agency for Mumbai location. Just press enter and ChatGPT will create your ATS friendly resume in few seconds. ChatGPT will create your professional ATS-friendly resume according to the job description for Telecom ELV Design Engineer for Authentic Staffing Agency. Wait for your magic resume to be fully loaded for your dream job. You can witness the professional resume created by ChatGPT considering your professional skills, which will beat the recruiter's ATS system. ChatGPT has asked for PDF or Word format for ATS resume. Simply type, "Yes please, I need to download in Word format." Wait for ChatGPT to complete your resume for download. Now your ATS friendly resume is ready for download. After downloading, open the resume and quickly review the details and apply for the job using the CV. You can do any minor changes in your CV. Your CV is ready to beat the applicant tracking system and land you a dream job. You can watch my previous videos on how to create ATS-friendly resume using free AI tool and how to check your CV ATS score by clicking video links in description. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe for more updates.